whole side of the car in.
G'day guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are out at Glasshouse. Obviously behind me I have Cole. Set him up a little bit different this time because every other time we come to Glasshouse, my wheel hits the top of the tray and actually acts like a brake, so I can't drive literally anything. So what I did at home yesterday, I actually got some 20mm aluminium spacers. I put them in. I also mounted these like bump stop extension plates onto my diff. I just welded them in place and I put them as like a rectangle, so if the diff moves sideways from the pan hard, it'll still catch this bump stop, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. I only used a measuring tape to do it, but as you can see I'm a little bit flexed out and I really think it actually will catch bump before the wheel hits the guard, so we should be right to run some pretty decent tracks today. So Jesse's out with us today. How you going, Jesse?
Good, mate, yourself?
Pretty good, mate. Fresh Raptor coat on the Prado. Looks good. 3 grey Raptor rigs today.
Yeah.
And then
so
one...
if you need sandpaper...
Yeah, we've got to sand down any parts, we'll just rub it on your bonnet. Dylan out in his Ranger, is it a PX?
Yeah, PX.
PX Ranger, no lockers.
Nah, not yet.
32s?
33.
33s, all terrain. Hey brother, how you going?
Hey brother, Tom.
Welcome back to the vlog. Harry's actually put a winch on his new bull bar that we installed last week. He's gone out and bought some quality stuff, guys. This is a King's Dominator winch. It's rated at 12,000 pounds. Gonna kill it, Harry? Kill it.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoe, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Alright, so Glasshouse. This is actually pretty much my backyard, so that's why we always come out to Glasshouse. I've aired down, I've got about 15 PSI in each of the bead locks, so we're running nice and low pressures. We're just gonna go and find a little track somewhere and just have a bit of fun. Feels like I've been in the shed for so long now, it's bloody nice to get out and about. God, honestly, having your tyres aired down to 11 PSI is literally like driving on a freaking cloud. Bead locks are mint. So down there is Little Red. I want Harry to drive it because he's got full bar work now, but he's too scared.
Not yet.
Come on.
Not yet.
Come on, son.
We just painted.
Give her a crack, mate. Nah, so we're going down this way. Jesse's already down there, and he's promised me that there's a couple little decent bits down there, so we'll go check it out. Another little mod I done yesterday at home was this little mud flap holder. All I did is I welded a bolt to the tray mount there, and that way I can actually keep my mud flaps up so they don't get ripped off in the mud. But looks pretty cool, I reckon. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, let's keep moving, head down to the bottom tracks and have a look what Jesse has to show us.
Down in the dirt. Real bad.
So if you can't tell, the past couple of weeks have been very, very rainy over Christmas, so we have a lot of water on the tracks. Glassy's like just completely clay, so it holds the water for weeks. Very, very muddy. Jesse's going to give this a crack first. Someone's put logs down in the track just to help with a bit of traction, so he should be right, but we'll see how he goes. Hey, get out of me pool. A bloody good drive. Yeah, not bad, mate. He just eased into it, powered through, got to the top. That was sick. Go back. That track was actually pretty sick though. It was good.
I like it.
Felt crap,
Yeah, felt
but when you get to the top, it feels good.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes.
Alright, we may as well keep moving on. We just stopped to have a drink and a bite to eat because it's bloody hot today.
If we go this way and then go hard that way, look, that'd be hey. Too bad.
Yeah, I reckon it's doable, but Jesse's got to go first again.
Why are you walking through, you idiot? Do a test. Oh yeah?
Do a test.
Do a test through where you're actually driving.
Alright, Jesse's going first through this absolute cesspit of slop and water. Jesse can get through, we can all get through. Well, you bloody found a yabby, mate. You actually found a yabby. Eshay, bar. Eshay. Oh God, it feels bloody good to be out, guys. I really miss full driving. I think I need to stop doing heaps of shed days, start getting out here more. What do you guys think's better, full drive days or shed days? Because I know which one's funner. Oh no, the mud's taking our first victim. You're bloody stuck, mate. Bit stuck.
I thought I'd make it.
Look at that soup. Alright, we are about to do something either really stupid or really sick. That track right there is Little Red, and we're all going to give it a crack. As you guys know, Little Red is probably it's probably the second hardest track, do you reckon, at Glasshouse? Yeah, Little Red, then Big Red's a little bit harder, but if we, oh, sounds like there's already, that's Big Red.
Yeah.
Must be Big Red. What do you reckon?
Not soccer mum car
It's not really convincing me to give it a crack. So we were about to drive Little Red until we seen that little accident on there, and it's blown away our confidence. Patrol was pretty much 37s unlocked, exactly the same as mine, but he didn't have a chance, he said. Keep the weight on the winch, Harry. That's it. That's actually quite funny. That's the exact same hole that Harry got stuck in. And I was watching Luke Fink's video the other night, and even his 37 Treps got stuck in that. That hole is bloody deep. But can't leave a guy stranded. Their winch wasn't working, so pulled him out with Harry's new winch. King's winch actually went pretty well. It's quite surprising. Just heading down the same track that we just about always drive, down to the Wombat holes that I can never actually drive properly. We're gonna have just a play around in a spot that we actually know where we're going, see if the bump stops that are fitted are actually gonna work, because that's what the problem was last time. My bump stops were holding me up. It's just your diff.
No way I'm getting up. I feel it. How do I get out across this shit?
Hold on.
Cross my heart.
Yeah,
You didn't touch the cab at all.
I felt like a roller.
You watch the footage, that rear bar just saved your car. Look at the scrape mark too.
I don't know how he didn't just punch the whole side of his car in.
Oh, you're so lucky.
Saved you so much.
Oh, I actually can't believe Harry just rolled his car. So you're a bit stuck too.
Yeah, look, I'm a bit stuck.
This day's turned into mayhem. What an eventful little track, eh? Harry rolls it, you got stuck, I got covered in mud. Matt's truck's full of mud. So because of that one mud hill, my whole radiator is full of mud and my car's overheating. So we're gonna go find a bit of water and I'm gonna try and clean that radiator out before we hit the road. So even though my car is overheating at the moment, I'm thinking about just giving this one a crack just to complete the day, because I want to drive something hard for the day. We've driven to Little Red and obviously the car rolled over, scared the crap out of me, so didn't do that. But I think if we give this one a shot, that'll complete the video, and it's a challenging track for the day. It's something that I'm actually scared to even look at. It's quite big. I'll bring Cole up, I'll have to just keep an eye on his temps and get to the top.
Diamonds so pearls, and I don't wanna take you traveling the world, but I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you.
That was sick. Very, very scary at one point because I thought I was going to slide into a ditch, but it obviously feels a lot worse when you're inside the car. It's probably looked like crap outside of the car. As for the patrol, did a good job, mate.
Did I?
So I think we'll go find a little watery hole, clean the radiator out, and then we're going to head off to a car wash, and Harry's going to wash all our cars because he didn't drive anything and he rolled his car. Alright, that works pretty good. See, I got most of the mud off, which means less mud at home. Radiator looks good. Jesse's next. $20 please, mate.